Pregnancy is often viewed through the lens of physical transformation, with the growing belly and changing body becoming the focal points of this extraordinary journey. However, the metamorphosis extends far beyond the visible, delving deep into a woman's neurological, immune, and emotional landscapes, as well as her social dynamics. This transformative experience reshapes her identity, enhances her connections with others, and leaves a lasting imprint on her health and well-being. One of the most fascinating aspects of pregnancy is its impact on the brain. Often dismissed as mommy brain, the neurological changes that occur during this period are profound and beneficial. Research has shown that pregnancy leads to an increase in gray matter in specific regions of the brain associated with empathy, emotional regulation, and decision-making. This enhancement equips mothers with a heightened sensitivity to their baby's needs, allowing them to respond with greater intuition and care. The stereotype of forgetfulness, often associated with new mothers, overlooks this incredible neurological adaptation. Instead of diminishing cognitive abilities, pregnancy cultivates a deeper emotional intelligence, fostering a bond that is both instinctual and nurturing. The immune system also undergoes significant changes during pregnancy, providing an intriguing glimpse into the body's remarkable capacity for adaptation. To protect the developing fetus, a woman's immune response is temporarily suppressed, creating a delicate balance that allows for the survival of the baby while also resetting the mother's immune system. This reset can offer long-term protection against autoimmune diseases later in life, a phenomenon intricately linked to the placenta's role. The placenta releases various proteins and hormones that modulate the immune response, showcasing the complexity of this organ and its vital functions. This temporary suppression, often perceived as a vulnerability, is, in fact, a strategic adaptation that benefits both mother and child. Pregnancy also brings about surprising shifts in sensory experiences, particularly in taste and smell. Many women report heightened sensitivities, which can lead to intense cravings for certain foods or strong aversions to others. These changes are not merely whimsical. They serve an evolutionary purpose, guiding mothers toward essential nutrients while steering them away from potentially harmful substances. The body becomes attuned to its nutritional needs, and these sensory adaptations can linger long after childbirth, influencing dietary preferences and habits in the years to come. The emotional and psychological dimensions of pregnancy are equally transformative. As a woman navigates the complexities of impending motherhood, her identity and priorities often shift dramatically. This journey can prompt a deeper connection to her heritage, as she reflects on her own upbringing and the values she wishes to instill in her child. Relationships with other mothers may also deepen, fostering a sense of solidarity that transcends cultural boundaries. The shared experience of motherhood creates a powerful bond, leading to support networks that are essential during this life-altering transition. Social dynamics play a significant role in the pregnancy experience. Many women find themselves enveloped in a wave of support and empathy, often referred to as pregnancy privilege. This newfound attention can empower women, encouraging them to advocate for their needs and the needs of their children. However, it can also come with societal pressures and expectations that can be overwhelming. Navigating these dynamics requires resilience and can lead to broader cultural shifts as women share their stories and challenge the norms surrounding motherhood. The long-term health effects of pregnancy are equally noteworthy. Studies indicate that pregnancy can have a positive impact on cardiovascular health, and breastfeeding further contributes to maternal well-being. These benefits underscore the multifaceted nature of the pregnancy experience, revealing how it reshapes